Alright, let's dive into Paybis, a crypto platform that's making buying and selling digital currencies way simpler. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by crypto exchanges or confused by all the jargon, I'll walk you through exactly how Paybis works, step by step. So, what is Paybis? At its core, Paybis is an online platform that lets you buy, sell, exchange cryptocurrencies. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, lesser-known coins. The standout feature? You don't need to be a crypto expert to use it. Paybis is designed for everyday people with a clean interface that guides you through every step. Let's start with signing up. All you need is an email address and a secure password. Once you register, Paybis asks you to verify your identity. This is a standard step for most crypto platforms, and it helps keep your account safe and compliant with regulations. You'll need to upload a photo ID and sometimes a selfie. Verification usually takes just a few minutes. Now, onto buying crypto. Paybis supports a bunch of payment methods: credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Just choose the currency you want, pick your payment method, and enter how much you want to buy. The platform will show you exactly how much crypto you'll get, including all fees before you confirm. No hidden surprises. Once your payment goes through, the crypto is sent straight to your wallet. And here's the cool part. Paybis doesn't hold your funds. You provide your own wallet address, so you stay in control of your assets at all times. Selling crypto is just as easy. You send your coins to Paybis, and they'll pay you out in your chosen currency, like dollars, euros, or pounds, using your preferred method. Again, everything's upfront and transparent. Paybis also has a handy calculator so you can preview rates and fees before you commit. And if you ever get stuck, their support team is available 24/7. So to sum up, Paybis is all about simplicity, speed, and transparency. Whether you're a total beginner or just want a no-fuss way to move in and out of crypto, it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense crypto guides. Thanks for watching.